Numerous storms right here around Frederick, around Damascus and Mount Airy. This area right here was producing 60 to 70 mile-an-hour winds. That's why we have a lot of trees down around Kensington, Silver Spring, and Rockville. And then look at this line down around Fredericksburg and Stafford County. This came through Quantico with 78 mile-an-hour winds. We saw numerous trees down in through parts of Charles County as well, around La Plata, down around Waldorf as well, and quite a few power outages in through southern Maryland. Now the radar. Clear for the most part, D.C. westward, but we're watching these showers off to the south and east. Fredericksburg, around Waldorf, around Annapolis, and there's still more to come. We are still looking at some rain. Take a look at the latest models here, the latest radar showing this rain down to the south, actually trying to move back in across our area, across our southern zone. So Fredericksburg, parts of the northern neck, southern Maryland, you may see more rain. But back to the west, this is where the front is, and you notice more showers developing right now along the front. Here's the cold front, and again, that cold front moving on through the region right now, and that's where we're bringing in much colder air. Temperatures out ahead of this, very warm. 69 degrees currently in D.C. Look at Virginia Beach. 81 degrees right now in Virginia Beach, but on the backside of this, 37 in Chicago, 43 in Indianapolis. That's where the front is. That's why we're going to be seeing cooler air moving in overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. And again, that is going to bring us some wind. Out there right now, still quite nice. 69 degrees in D.C., 68 Fredericksburg, 70 in Leesburg, and this was after D.C. hit 80 degrees today, tying the old record. 80 degrees, just amazing, on March 1st, the warmest we've ever been here, with one other day it happened. Now, take a look at future weather. Now, tomorrow, cool and rather windy. You know, the wind advisory extends through 10 a.m., but we'll see windy conditions even during the afternoon, 30 to 40 mile-an-hour winds all day. And then the cold air really comes in here. Watch what happens tomorrow night into Friday morning. Yeah, Pat, you watching this?
I'm watching.
Yeah, look at this. Some snow trying to come in here on one of our computer models. Now, it's not going to be much, but we could be waking up to snow in parts of the area, and this little clipper system moves through very quickly. Notice we still have snow around the D.C. metro area, mixed down to the south. Now, I'm not expecting accumulation, but this is something we're going to be watching very closely on Friday. It's out of here just around the noon hour, and then in behind it, we're very cold during the afternoon on Friday. So that's something that we'll be watching. All right, 51 degrees for a high tomorrow. Windy and cooler, gust of 40 miles per hour, so it will be a fairly chilly day. Wind chills in the upper 30s to low 40s. 42 degrees on your Friday with that chance of rain or snow. 48 on Saturday, 45 Sunday, and then we get mild again as we make our way in towards the next week. So, yeah, guys, not quite done with winter just yet.
All right.
Thank you, Doug. Well, even with that cold weather on the way, all these days of 70s and even 80 means a spring tradition is getting a head start.
And that means you need to plan ahead. What's so different about this year's cherry blossom season and why organizers had to improvise?